Hello,
Hi. How are you?
I am fine. How about you?
I am good.
What are you doing today?
Nothing special.
Let's go shopping.
That sounds good.
Do you need anything?
Yes. I need some clothes.
I also need a new shirt.
Great. Let's not go together.
Okay, let's meet at the market.
Yes, see you not there.
Hi, you came on time.
Yes, I came dot early.
This market is big.
Yes, many shops are here.
Where should we go first?
Let's go to the dot clothes shop.
Okay, follow me.
Yes, I am dot coming. Welcome. Hello.
We want to see some clothes.
Sure. What do you need? I want a dress.
I want a shirt.
What color do you like? I like red and blue.
I like black and white.
Here are some options. This dress is dot nice.
Yes, it looks good on you.
Thank you.
Try it once.
Okay, I will try. How do I look?
You look beautiful.
Really?
Yes, it suits you.
I like this dress.
Then you should buy it.
Yes, I will take it.
Now I will try a shirt.
Okay,
How is this shirt?
it looks perfect.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Then I will buy it.
How much is dot this dress? It is 1,000 rupees. That is expensive.
Yes, a little high.
Can you reduce dot the price? Okay, I will give it for 800. That is better.
Yes, good price. What about this shirt?
It is 700 rupees.
Can you give a discount?
I will give it for 600.
Okay, I will take it.
Please come to the counter.
Okay. Do you accept online payment?
Yes, we accept.
I will pay online.
I will pay cash. Here is your bill. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Visit again.
That was a good shopping day.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
You chose a nice dress.
Thank you. Your shirt is dot also good.
Thanks a lot. Are you tired?
Yes, a little.
Let's eat something.
Good idea.
Let's go to a restaurant.
Yes, let's go.
What do you want to eat?
I want snacks. I will take juice. I will take tea.
The food is tasty.
Yes, very tasty.
I am happy today.
Me too. This is a simple English shopping conversation. Practice daily. Speak slowly. You will improve your English step by step. Keep learning. Keep speaking.